It's National Brother Appreciation Day Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and then here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from this page you have to go to April 2022, add yours at highlight. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. But if you go to April 2022, add yours at highlight, then you will definitely find your sticker. So like I said, click here and then click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo with your brother. So I will go ahead and choose a random photo. I will go with this one because this is just an example for you. But you can add a photo with your brother, of course. So now you can share your story with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on others button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.